Welcome to your LED 4-in-1 House of Beauty India's eye massager. This is a 4-in-1 device that has red light therapy, microcurrent, vibrations and heat therapy in one. There is no on and off button in this. It gets activated with your touch. The minute it comes in contact with your skin, the massager goes on. Easy to use at home. You can charge it with a C-type cable that it comes with. Use it anywhere, anytime. You could use this on clean skin or with your under eye cream or serum. It comes with a rotational head like this to ensure that it is sliding easily across the under eye and also assists in face lifting. This is such a brilliant tool. Honestly, you could also use the red light for your pigmentation reduction. Let's start with the how to use. I have a fully charged device and I have some face oil under my eye already. I'm going to use it to first break my puffiness by just pressing across my under eye like this for a count of 20. Now I'm going to flatten it and swipe, lifting my under eye all the way up. Doing this motion about 10 to 12 times will also reduce fine lines, crow's feet lines and under eye darkness. If you have puffiness here, you will not stop here but go all the way down, initiating a drain. You can use it on your upper eyelid for the lines that we get on the upper eye as well. I will create 10 to 12 S strokes here like this. I will lift my crow's feet region upwards and repeat it onto the other eye. This is how easy it is to use this massager. But hold on, this doesn't stop here. You could actually use this on your smile line and for mild face lifting as well. You will place your massager flat on your nasolabial line and go lifting all the way up 6 times with me. You can lift your jaw and jowl. Also use it for lip pigmentation or dark mouth pigmentation all the way across. If you have forehead acne, small acne due to dandruff, you can use this in upward strokes to reduce that as well. Red light therapy is great for collagen boosting and is antibacterial too. Swipe across, initiate a drain. I hope you enjoyed this red light massager by House of Beauty India. It's called the LED eye massager on my website.